Tested mic 1 2 1 2. Mosonfo madie nyina watu moto de general, aka social media president, aka political general. Menam di dwumadie watu moto 101 ho chame o YouTube no so. O first time o hwe me dwumadie make sure so be subscribe to my YouTube channel no. Na wa leave comment, na wa share, na wa mia notification bell no. Anytime bia me drop video bia no, on sabe kan wa be bia am kapa pa. Me dwumadie ye fen atija. And a video reactions and we dive into matters abrayahu a post a video or social media and so mejumedi aboafo so masam mejumedi bro dan na kemensa stabilities meka kemensa nijumedi no loto adwuma or loto agent ya wo sales akuku dem bebrebe wo town to ye sala na bebe wo twa wabako no wo agent wo twa wabako ma no omwanyoma twa wabako ma kemensa stabilities ye do said yen he will pay because or Mr. Frank or Mr. Adams or Hot etanechia ni loto adwuma no enya gudi or Bronco Junction afranchu Bronco Junction twaba koma no ya ankurankura so na loto ade bia oni je ho on loto kios bia na atwa ni mke mesa star bia twaba ho because so dina okọ office be man sika ma na betwia eno ye kemesa star bia kache saso na Rogers Beauty Palace shene so enche Rogers na family no omode gare production ba kromo omo produce gare ti enche ope gare amemfro bia ofro otomoto Kim gare chim ba side enche kra Rogers one no kani enche kra gare processing production e town anti ope gare billions kra otomoto link up me de bro sharp sasha no say Rogers Beauty Palace e wa francho woni se chewa bang me di hwani mu kone enko sisi ho kama pa saso na eye kusi casual se ohun be ye fe e ba intadishem se ye African wear eye suit kaftan na nye kusi casual ne yere wa to atwene kura omo banta mama salachi dan wa kone nye bibi mfa show kama pa prestige court eye bia e gi ahome ope bia da okodwo mu a wo ko bebi tise kokoben santase patase na so anko da eye prestige court e wo kokoben new site wa yira akodam wurem Shenson. But more first post a post bia oko ye social media and so from hip hop veil. Na say that you say if my child asks me who helped me be who I am right now. I say no. Ne mabusa say why na man be ye nipa otise sisia. I will first call Olamide before I will mention my mother, Belashmuda. Mubad, the late Mubad, Oko Nigeria, the late Mubad. Nadam for pa Belashmuda. And what should I turn 10 times to say? Seneba any day. So I will ban on the bar, baby, as do be so say, Daddy, why not a boawa or so become Olamide first? I'm going to post in the rest here. Welcome back, guys. Okay, post of Belashmuda. Let me see. Maybe must say if my child asks me who helped me be who I am right now, I'll first call Olamide before I'll mention my mother, Belashmuda. So no saneba. Wa ba ne dey na ne baby san say, Daddy, why na eboa wo abraba wo boyi mu? Abraba wo boyi no be Bella. Wiase nyina ebo di enne watimahia ho kaniama eye me maame ama me maba wiase hwan na boa wo beka se ono no Bella beka se Olamide if my child asks me who helped me be who I am right now, I'll first call Olamide. Eya ko ese okọ Nigeria ekurom ho dia most of Nigerian artists I say helpers and any power boy mo abrabum eya kwese Olamide minim kura no minim eye Ashake minim Fireboy isi ya Belashmuda abeka ho Zlatan once said something like that. Zlatan also kabibisa, you get it. A whole lot of artists me minimum mo ombeka cho say Olamide ese homaye Olamide is part of our success right now. Ayako say Olamide is really helping the Nigeria industry. And because Nigerian artists are right now top, bear 3, bear 5, bear 4, bear 8, bear 10. Unya boys are on back at you say Olamide helped us. Na ya kwese Olamide no. Obi say who is Olamide? Olamide, I think say risked more time. Olamide so I never risked munya ni P that time. A legend. Industry more bobo hit. I can't remember the whole you crab 2 man no worldwide. Juma minimum Olamide pa about Nigerian music industry ma. He's really working. Na ya kwesa say wajai ono no carry ato no push amanfo. Ewiase. Ebia mekura na mani abra meye medie gidigidi. Ebia nya mekura me de na bema me ankasa. Me ye di aba na misika sembe kosoro. Ebia obi a meso ne nsa. Akora bia me push no. Nipa bia me push no. Ade bia obekono oba be kai me. Aya na emane nya o say o bo nipa sisia o pe bibi sisia Philippa. Fa so trim sa wo de o ye. Aya na nipa bebrebe no ase omo ye broken hearted and I say omo ye discouraged omo bambu ntem ebi obo bi na odi ni simba ko minu di nesime no nipa na odi usim nipa na oni ni hia na obo na ono no anhu hwe obi onhu so mfaso no ebi asa na nyame ye ne se oni ni be hia obedi ni be si baby but onhu hwe onhu mfaso de bia enne ebi a kire bi do onhu mfaso de bra ebi a wahyerew nti misra onua uye bibia ma onua in terms of abrabomu you don't care about ono so ne returns. Honestly speaking, say odwendwene he will be returns or the brewa. On money power. Because let me be honest with you. Oma boni power, let me dey a boni di. Ubo kobro let me dey so catch say e mere bi me boas mesi pa de nipa ne ye me ne be wi ase kra no. Anko sa me achi be wi ase kra ko oma asem kra to me. But amu let me dey abam. Ogusu aya be duru ne akukudam o industry ni mu boni din sanema ne say ono Olamide true Olamide na amomo ewo wiase bibi say uhu ade na yo me keep on telling my boys me dey me bibi say bi na me pe ntiana me expect say my adam azisia baby mam zisia no I don't do that way emre bi ba Ghana music industry no it will all and I say all of boys about be at a certain time boys are blue and I say omo ateki in China will be from my camp. What am I say? I remember say every bedroom na Ghana music industry na down. Boys say woman nyina o majiji din nya o boy mo say wo nyina no. Eye what mo to hu nipa. Ma adwena da mitirim. Mitirim ponti a me ye de me ye no. Nti Olamide inspire yemu bi say. Ne post amako hu Olamide mako hu online bella ka wi afa Olamide hu no ka kire me say moto yi no ye de wo ye no enhwe ba bia me kono nsu a me hwen chenchen kono full them you get it in life udi de waya ma obi achi in returns de ni para ma wa hwe a ombo ni pada me fancy de waya ma ni pa no so what twen say oh my BBC amasimasi ka obentinye se mamia beg ma wan ha unye bibi mo nipa biem because nipa no kra on care e bi kwa na adwe kwa news ano so ho nti Olamide yemu bi say de ene je pa yemu bi say ene timije eboa ma ye de ye ne egusu ye you get it ye aba mu muda to say ye be koso ye de ye no edi ne ye wato motor general okọ a post of Belash muda or kire se ne babusa ne se when na boa na brabo mo o so no be ka se eye Olamide first before ne mame no de ne ba wiase no kro wa fa no ko ka kire say Olamide na say before ne mame onenim the reason why onenim the Olamide ayama nti o kasa se ne se medwumadi amedi KMS stability kusi casual Rogers Beauty Palace esomase and am the medwumadi bell make ko another post and no a post by post by post kebe enti ye wa another post kunta kinte ye ko another post online a post from Kunta Kinte. Welcome back, guys. Okay, a post of a legendary Kunta Kinte. Kunta Kinte. Yemo a ye nen common tofa, and I said story about legendary Kunta Kinte. When you far a story about legendary Kunta Kinte from Gambia. Yamomu Tokru anayendo musuko wase hashtag Kunta Kinte, the African, is a character in the 1976 novel Roots. He was born in 1750, enslaved and taken to America. He was a member of the highly respected Kinte clan of the Mandinka people of the Gambia. Kunta Kinte, respected Kinte clan of the Mandinka people of Gambia. A warrior who was educated, clever, skilled, strong, resilient, and proud. He was a young man of immense courage that empowered him when he was captured by slaves. Kunta never accepted the name and religion given to him by his slave masters, and he never gave up on his dream of returning to his homeland, and he challenged other enslaved people to fight for their freedom. Inti wabete se Kunta Kinte bi wo wiase na ama ye kura Ghanaians ya benya great musician Kunta of Brothers ono so ni dinye dinkitu Kunta Kinte no of Brothers onye ni part awawe Thursday, last week Thursday we ono so onye ni part enti Kunta Kinte na what in what's a man casano? The story like a canna Mabu a room at your own. What I'm going to say? I say the African is a character in the 1976 novel Roots. He was born in 1750, enslaved and taken to America. He was a member of the highly respected Kinte clan of the Mandinka people of Gambia. That's how we of free Gambia. A warrior who was educated, clever, skilled, strong, resilient, and proud. He was a young man of immense courage that empowered him when he was captured by slaves. Kunta never accepted the name and religion given to him by his slave masters and never gave up on his dream of returning to his homeland, and he challenged other enslaved people to fight for their freedom. He said, "Oh, African man, no free Gambia." Ya wono a year 1750, and a enslaved no to America. Na tamana yenye enslaved no oye member of a respected Kinte clan, or a warrior, or ye educated, or school him de, or a sharp, clever, and or a skills, or could have skills, or bet my YouTube, bet my be say, when you're not knowledge about I didn't quite bet my because we're skillful, you get it, and or a strong, what I say, no resilient, and or say proud, do you get it? A proud young man, be more than or a hard man. He was a hard guy. Courage, Kutano, Mrakra, slaves are teaching. Oh, was strong. Yes, very, very strong. But no, Tama ever found a course slavery in Munyano. I know when it trims on a day. On give you up, say, about returning back to his homeland. The basic bia wa kontum bia the ekosu bia was slavery bia ono de no the trimponya say one day he will return to Gambia and homeland. You get it? Inti legendary Kunta Kinte no atene ho komo no de na otie no ho komo na e dia kire no kura no tam no slavery camp on na so under slavery no kura no one Omo so slave ni muni bi na mo different African countries ni timi no mu twese ni semasa osam nyina mo konkode na mtim ko back to homeland ahanye mo homeland we all need to fight and go back to our homeland. Hanye free, hanye be free. You get it. Always na kunta kinte fight other slavery people, slavery guys is a matter. Menori I haven't try no matter what, a tot jack tot jam crime, I will still go back to my homeland. That's na the legendary Kunta Kinte, his mindset. And you know, or two boys need before mom so ya chicho mo honey be say jack. I'm fighting for my freedom. I need pa better na go woman. If I move go on a country, you free her. You fighting for our freedom. I never be free. You me who you get it. Legendary Kunta Kinte on the mindset I know the work on to me and so massa and five pa se me komi krum minyari me yero ntono oh boy you mama from you dey fat slavery ayini mu nyina no no untim say one day he go return to his homeland Gambia bako ni Kinte clan ho bako Kinte clan because ono if you respected Kinte clan of Gambia, what I say, on any part one, to no, I will trim say, I also go back to the homeland because maybe on whom is in the homeland, he will be respected and celebrated because now what they could tell and the skillfulness and the hardness and the courage, waiting a baby born crew man, the crewum, a betum pom, my baby asian, almost may hero on the crew. Tell on the better, I will be crew. I think say that's. No, so legendary Kunta Kinte be on the mindset. Or nipa be on the mindset. A good time say, Jack. Sulusa. All those say, well, Bibisa, but Nipa Metron has a fancy can begin. I was say, go back to your crew. Or you be go to your crew, went to your crew. What I say, Tine, and the young Fatuma, what to cry up your crew. First, you tell one day you come back. And my one there, now got out. And kwaka kurum ho free baby a wo no ba kurum na ma kurum so nyam faso de wo so what I say legendary Kunta Kinte na adwe den tim what I say ti lasa wo ba ni kurum edeni ya watu motor general social media president ku masimeyo o kwa ko another post so le se mi juma dia mi di kusika joa Rogers Beauty Palace prestige court and KMS stability and so much. You have another post. You have a post for Kofi Jamar. You come here. Welcome back, guys. Okay, a post of Kofi Jamar. Now saying it, say I have stopped rapping because it doesn't pay me anymore. Kofi Jamar. Kofi Jamar say, "Oh no, artist Jamar rap." And I friend Jenna rap. Oh no, onye BBM. Obey singing because ono Kofi Jamar why rap ni mtwaneka. That's what Kofi Jamar is saying. Maybe a one-on-one interview was being organized and man feel like spitting things out and you went on to say rap doesn't pay him anymore. Okay, he used anymore, so it means he used to pay him, but now it's not paying him. So he need to switch to go and do the singing. That's what Kofi Jamar is telling us right now. Kofi Jamar, so you want us to okay, this thing, it is his own view. That is his point of view. He is Kofi Jamar. Excuse me. Whatever he is going through, whatever he is facing, I don't facing. I will not sit here to tell Kofi Jamar, say Kofi Jamar, what are you saying? Go back to rap, blah blah blah, this and that. No. At the end of the day, he is Kofi Jamar. Abrabono, Obomo, no. Although say he may have management, everybody, but at the end of the day, Kofi Jamar, what be we are say on your own. Oh yeah, dear, oh yeah, you are doing it for your own self. You feel say wow in this way. This way is not helping her. My guy, why you need Jamar? Why you need don't wait for somebody to tell you. In this life, if you are doing something and you think that thing is not paying you anything, you are not getting anything from that thing. Why are you doing it? chase something, at the end of the day, you get something small from it. Do you get it? Don't chase it. Don't be like everybody is saying you are a lazy person because always you are in the house, you don't go out to work, blah 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 blah. That shouldn't push you, that shouldn't force you to go and do anything. At the end of the day, it won't help you. My brother, Kofi Jamar, I'm 100% in support with you. The whole canon, I don't have any problem with you. And like I said earlier, I won't come and sit here to bash you. So my guy, like I said right now, I am in full support, 100% support. You can do whatever you want to do. Kofi Jamar, you can even choose to sing Adwa. You can even choose to sing Kete. It's your own life. It's your own career, big man. And more be crying too for throwing one. So more be crying just say, Jamal, I don't know what I say. You shouldn't be afraid after saying this, Jamal. Don't go sit somewhere and go like Jack and go for more bash me. Forget about Obibe Basho. This is what you feel. This is how you want it to be. Man, let it be that way. Don't be forced by anybody. I want to just don't do things to please people. Oh. Do things to please your own self. I don't know, you know. One away, you know, and more to me, free my guy, quit. Don't do it because of say, hey, big man, you came here alone, you go alone. And at times when you are doing things, think about yourself first. Yourself is important. Yourself is important. Don't be doing things to please people. I need to hear me, my guy. Don't be doing things to please people. In this life that he or she they do things to please people. Only Kurana person yes or wana independent was he is not having, he is going through certain things. I no gross and kono kranka. I the corner of them was a kono at the truck, but he will be giving it to you or she will be giving it to you all because of say or person need man wow. Oh yes, I need penny beer. And maybe from now henceforth stop, quit, wow. Chase something at them the day. We both say we are me minya refim. Big man. What you know? But first of Brian Warabo. Ogaza Ububazo movie. Now we are there. Now I can now you know say dey she him. Now we here because of Sasma saying because of something say one ya. Masa. Obiti na ti we say. Are you here because of somebody? At times I don't get people. I dey who you to say we are me here and fa bibia mreme and me. I'm not getting anything from it. But still, now we here, all because of say, Nipan and Nam now in the Kobana, or Tomodino, on any aji. But a man, at the end of the day, so who are on quite about to see you. Be there. Kofi Jamar, me say, Adia Wakain. So be to maybe cast Nadrian Chewa, but from Mama or defend the man or come Mama or Conto Kama. Bodily decision now taking. One time will be back, oh, be back, come on, not Canada. Aye. So I'll be down 90. Seka bo ha mo bia bo mo jare nka wa uja ona nka be bo Kofi Jamar wa hwa mo bia me bona me nya na no aja na edi ne wa to motor gender ke social media preke ko massimeyo o first time here subscribe, leave your comment and share edi no a o de ba ko hwe mo social media no so Watu Moto TV unya bo Watu Moto TV a me piaba subscribe here, leave your comment and share. Anytime bia me drop video bia no unya mi notification bell no so a me video tun bia on sabeka wadama and that's so ajuman efe mon share videos no mother say I'm out. Chama assim.